Thinking about custom building, how to start the home building process. Hi, this is Sherry Hayes with Hayes Homes Incorporated in Greenville, South Carolina. And my husband Rich and I, we own a home building business. We've been building custom homes here in this area since about 2006. So we've got a lot of experience with custom building, large homes, small homes, additions, renovations, interior design, all kinds of different projects that we've done for clients over the years. Rich is a licensed home builder and I am a licensed realtor with RE/MAX Results and Travelers Rest. So we can help our clients find land or a lot and help them all the way through the custom home building process. I was asked today by a friend of mine, a realtor friend of mine, who had a client approach her about custom building and how do I get that process started and what do I do. And so I thought I'd hop on here and make a quick video about how to do that, and maybe that could help some people in the future. So the first thing I would do if I was thinking about custom building is I would look at my savings, my equity, how much I wanted that house to cost with the land, and I would set a budget. And you can go to a mortgage lender or a bank if you're going to need a construction loan, and they can help you determine what you would qualify for. They do generally want to see some of the cost paid for, or some savings or cash somewhere in your financial picture to help with the project. They may tell you something like 80% loan to value, and that means that they're willing to loan you 80% of what the construction cost is going to be, generally with the land, but they will take that figure and determine what you are qualified for. Then once you know that, you can kind of gauge the construction part of the project, not the land, but the construction part of the project. If you're wanting to build a very nice custom home with brick and stone and hardy, granite countertops. Of course, there are a lot of things you can do to an interior to drive cost up or down, so keep that in mind. But I tell our clients, around the upper 160s to 170 is a good per square foot price for custom homes right now. And it is taking, I would say a good year to build a custom home. It was taking about 8 or 9 months. Some of it is dependent on weather. We're right now 2021, so there's a lot going on with the pandemic, with shutdowns and shipping and all kinds of other issues. So I wouldn't let that scare you, but I do say that to prepare our clients that you are going to probably need to find an apartment or home to rent, unless you own a home that the bank is going to let you stay in while you're custom building. And some people can do that. They go to the bank and they approach the bank about a construction loan, or they may take out what's called a HELOC, a home equity line of credit. And that is basically a loan against your equity that helps you start the process of custom building a home and front some of the cost, maybe the land cost or whatever is needed there. So once you've been to the bank or the mortgage lender, you've got all that established, and you know that your square footage price is going to fall within a certain dollar amount, then you can start looking for plans or creating a plan with a local designer or architect. We've helped clients work through that whole process, and we definitely have people that we can recommend, banks, mortgage lenders, and architects that we've worked with. We have helped people design custom homes. Maybe they've got a lot that's a narrow plan or a sloped plan, and it's going to take a certain type of home to fit on that lot. And we have definitely worked with clients to design not only homes, but additions, garage additions, all kinds of different things. So that's something that we can also do for you. Once you have designed your home and you've got the plan, then you're going to be under contract with Hayes Homes. We work on a cost plus basis based on the scope of your project. And we're going to set up a spreadsheet for you. Once we've gotten the contract signed and we've got a deposit, we're going to set up a spreadsheet that determines your budget and your allowances for tile, granite, lighting. We also offer design assistance in selecting those things. But we've got accounts all over town already set up so that we can help keep the project flowing. We've got subcontractors that we've worked with for years. So we bring those people in, and the bank is probably going to then ask for the builder's license and a copy of our general liability. And then they are going to ask for that spreadsheet and a copy of your plans. They're going to give that to an appraiser who's going to look at your lot or land, and then they're going to determine what your home's value is going to be. They're going to project that. And then once they've done that, they will tell you what they are going to give you in a construction loan if that's needed. And then you can determine if that is going to be enough for your project, if you need to reduce, or if you want to enlarge your project or come up with more funds to do other things that you want to do to the project. And some of our clients have done that as well. So I would say that custom building is a great option, especially in today's market, with things being a little tighter on what you can find out there on the market. Inventory being low, this is a way that you can get exactly what you want. Have a brand new home, new HVAC, new roof, new windows, new insulation. That can be worth a lot going forward. And generally, people are walking into their custom home projects with equity. So I would encourage you, if you're interested in building a custom home, if that's something you've always dreamed about doing, definitely reach out to us. We have a website, hayeshomesinc.com, and I will put some links below. And if you'd like more information on custom building or finding a lot or land, or even finding an existing home, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you with any home projects.